Leslie! 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 Wake up! It's time to go to school. You're gonna be late.
Leslie Maceda is a girl who struggles to communicate with others, which often result in her being bullied and feeling anxious. She deeply longs to make friends but doesn't know how to approach people. Despite everything she's going through, she remains hopeful that one day she will grow up, make friends, and overcome her shyness.
Another day, and I'm alone again. I'm struggling to reach out to others and wondering if things will ever change. Is this really how it's going to be? Haven't I improved myself at all? Isn't it possible for me to have friends anymore?
Be safe and do your best at school. Bye.
Every day, one of you will speak for 4 to 5 minutes. Share anything, your stories, hobbies, something real. You are not being graded. This is for you. Okay, let us start with Gerald Abad.
I'm allergic to home. I'm a student and I lost. Am I saying again?
My talent is pretending to be
Alan Mayo.
I invented a language that no one but me understands.
Byron Bermudez.
I greet everything.
Sal Terniga.
My hobby, always music.
Derek Corospe.
I am always looking forward to it.
I like going home. Bermudez. Galang.
My greatest fear is going to school.
James Owen.
I like playing games. Yeah, I don't know.
Tiaga.
My talent is being ignorant.
Adrian
I
Lazaro.
once tried to skateboard at a mall.
God, new students. Everyone, please get along with her. I'm going to introduce myself. Yes, please quiet.
Ako ang nangingong sa tanan nga katong grade 11 pa lang ko nakaranas ko ng anxiety.
Sorry. Excuse me, girl.
Kanya karon, akong inisgot ninyo nga sa una, naguyog ko, sige lang ko dilag pamulyon. Pero karon siguro ako na siguro dawaton ang tanan.
Okay, let us continue with Rafael Pat.
I like space and I'm a space nerd.
Next, Zero Alves.
I taught myself guitar during quarantine.
John Marshall.
I'm good at programming. I can teach someone if they are willing.
Jordi Turlo.
I'm also good at math and I can teach anyone as well.
Sartre.
I like painting. It's my hobby.
Roxanne De La Cruz.
My hobby is going out and exploring.
I want to be a chef. Cooking feels like home.
Art Manzano.
I'm having trouble in speaking in public. Can anyone teach me? See class, sharing can be fun activity to do with anyone as long as you don't play with it. Let us continue with Campo.
I love science. Don't judge me.
Poetry helps me speak without talking.
Joe Cavalli.
I get nervous around people, but I'm trying.
Michael Clark.
I like making goofy videos with my friends.
Sometimes I just want someone to ask, are you okay?
If you're using a number, you should use integers. If you're using decimals, you should use float and double. String is a sequence of character and can contain letters, numbers, symbol, or even a space.
Thank you everyone for being supportive of each other, and thank you for taking it seriously and not making a joke out of it. I hope you learned something new and even make some new friends. Just listen.
Our class is dismissed, but does anyone want to go to the next week and read the next one?
Let's go!